What's up guys, it's Chris, you're watching Plumbing Explained, and today we're going to be changing the Moen 1225 cartridge, also sometimes called the 1225B. Now before you do this, you want to make sure you have the water off to your house. The first step, you're going to pull that little clip that's holding in the cartridge and set it somewhere safe. You don't want to lose that. Then you're going to clamp your pliers onto the little brass piece that the handle was screwed onto and pull straight out. Now before installing the new cartridge, you want to inspect the inside of the valve body, make sure there's no debris, no old rubber O-rings, no remnant of the old cartridge still stuck in that valve body. If there is, you're going to want to try and fish that out as carefully as possible without damaging the inside of the valve body. Sometimes it's easy just to go outside and turn the water on and off to the house a couple times, and that will flush water through the valve body, pushing out any debris that could be trapped in there that could damage the brand new cartridge. After you've done that, made sure the valve body is clear of debris and old rubber O-ring, you're going to want to take some grease and grease up your new cartridge before putting it into the valve body. This will help make sure this new cartridge lasts a long time. It's important to get those O-rings and rubber pieces all nice and greased up before putting this cartridge in. And the 1225 model is different than the Posi temp than the 1222. You can actually put this thing in any direction, it doesn't matter as long as those two tabs are top and bottom. And then there's a little notch on the brass piece that the handle attaches to. Just make sure that little notch is up top. And don't worry, if you install it and turn the water on and realize that that notch isn't on the top facing up, then just simply grab a hold of it with your pliers and spin it around until it is facing up. The alignment of the cartridge is very important, so you'll see me use this plastic piece to slightly turn it to the left. That way the clip sits all the way down into both grooves. There's grooves on top and grooves on bottom. You want to make sure that clip sits all the way down so just a little piece of the clip is showing, just barely enough to grab with a pair of pliers. And I actually installed this cartridge upside down, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that brass piece with my pair of pliers, and I'm going to turn it until the little notch is facing up. Now hot and cold will be as they should be, otherwise hot and cold would be reversed. So if you don't have the notch facing up, hot and cold will be reversed. Hey, while I got you here frozen, will you do me a favor and go down and subscribe and like the video? If you got a moment, leave a comment. Let me know how you did on your repair. So now let's go ahead and put the trim back on. I always like to put the sleeve on first. Then I'll slide the trim plate over the sleeve. And Moen's really kind of cool how they add that little notch there. That helps you line the screws up much easier than many of the competing brands. So let's talk about a few reasons why I recommend Moen to my customers over most of their competition. Number one, Moen offers a lifetime warranty, and they don't require proof of purchase. So all they require is you send them a picture of the faucet or shower valve, and they will send you parts for free as long as you're the original owner. If you're not the original owner, I think they'll still send them to you just at a discounted rate. But all they require is a picture of the fixture. They don't require proof of purchase. Number two, there's not a ton of parts when it comes to Moen. There's very few parts. They're easy to get a hold of. They're easy to stock. Like I said, Moen is real good about their warranty. They have no problem sending you replacement parts. Typically free, but if not, you can pay for them, like I said. On top of that, when their stuff does start to fail, it normally doesn't cause other problems like crossover and things like that. They're relatively inexpensive. They have a lot of variety of trim for their 1222 especially, and they're just great fixtures. And the company is good and easy to work with, and I don't think you'd be disappointed going with Moen. Alright guys, so that's about it for this video. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Drain being a pain, the brown won't go down. Time to deploy Uncle Elroy. He's got the longest snake around. Need to clear your pipes without any gripes. Oh, Uncle Elroy's the guy for the job. is getting shit done without being a slob. So give the man a like and go and hit subscribe. It's gonna save you money, save you time. He'll teach you how to plumb and won't charge a dime.